Eh salut YouTube, comment ils font ceux-là? Bon, si vous êtes là, c'est que vous avez regardé le premier épisode. Et pas vous mentir, il était incroyable. Il était incroyable. On a vu un zizi toxique. Ah ouais non mais voilà, faut le dire, on a vu un zizi toxique. Bon, je vais arrêter de blablater pendant 10 mois, mais en tout cas, je vous laisse avec l'épisode numéro 2. Et si vous pouvez vous abonner, liker, commenter, ça me ferait très plaisir. On est très proche des 1000 abonnés, donc si on peut y arriver, ce serait cool. Allez, je vous laisse avec l'épisode 2, bon visionnage. Ok, let's play to the episode 2. Oui, voilà, ouais, j'ai cru que j'étais un mec trop fort. Non, pas du tout, je suis vraiment la plus grosse merde.
Dang it.
Oh merde.
For band practice.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Oh la pub.
Sonoma Man, can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
SDN is not an insurance company and does not cover damages to property, persons, or animals.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah. Wait, what's that?
C'est qui celui-là?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. But Mom and my man, he's like a rock star. It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool commercial. I'm a Mama fan, you might say. You could say that.
I hate to break it to you. I heard he's a jerk in real life. Most big heroes are.
What? Jerk? No. I don't think so. God. Yep, that's not right. That is not right.
Oh merde.
That is. Yep.
Salut Trace, ça va ou quoi? Oh c'est Rayman, c'est moi-même. Salut Tracewolf, comment il va celui-là?
Necessary. I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how
Tout
they
humide,
call
ooh.
me, but yes, I am.
Oh! L'allumette. Coucou Mister Ron, ça va quoi? Et toi? Ouais, ça va bien, mon Tracewolf, qu'est-ce que tu racontes de beau? À quoi? Bah, il est tout humide.
Oh,
là
okay.
là là.
Oh.
Il va l'embrasser encore, mais ça y
Your face
est!
is moved aside of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man.
Il a de beaux yeux. Ouh, Hirakao, elle aime les
dead, I
flammes.
thought.
This on the inside.
You look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Wow, listen, one
Oh!
real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à voir? Tu vas nous plaquer contre la table? Oui, ferme les rideaux. C'est
Take your
bien.
clothes off.
Quoi?
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot
Notre
of our
dream
dispatchers
va
are
peut-être se
former
réaliser.
heroes,
Ah,
but
yes.
it's better if
Fais
you
pas
keep
genre de
your
bruit, je suis au
identity
boulot.
secret.
Pardon.
We've had incidents in the past. Here.
Oh merde, putain, mais c'est jamais ce qu'on
I
veut.
remembered you being
Aurore!
bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you...
Non, regarde,
should
regarde.
I close my
Regarde,
eyes,
regarde,
maybe?
regarde.
If that makes you more comfortable.
Je m'en fiche, regarde-moi.
It's fine.
Regarde-moi.
I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's... it's sure.
I mean, don't stare me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I
Putain,
regret the way I
Moins 1000
conducted
Aura, là.
myself.
j'ai dû la
It
pousser
was
quand elle
a
dormait.
mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications with you later.
Look, we were both a little tipsy, got lost in the moment. You know, it's totally understandable. It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Ah merde, il y avait l'homme invisible. La femme invisible.
Who locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
We kissed, but it was very innocent.
Like cheek innocent or tip of your dick innocent?
Okay, stop.
J'adore ce
First
jeu.
of all, we did not kiss. You kissed me. Second of all, it's none of your freaking business.
Whoa, she cussed. Must have been a good one.
Robert,
Mais bien
this
sûr,
is Invisigal.
elle voulait se rincer
She is
l'œil, la
part of the
coquine.
Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my
C'est l'asthmatique, la bougre.
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's
Invisimeuf.
dispatcher.
Oh, watched
Oh,
up
putain.
dad bought
Ça, c'est
superhero
vraiment mon
with no
nerf, par contre.
superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between
Maggot.
us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look, I'm here to help. It's what I do. You have a chance to turn things
Salut
around,
ma
bring
cigoune.
some good into the world, and I'll support you in
Regarde dans
whatever
TDM, puis
way
c'est bien, ça marche,
possible.
regarde
So
après.
that
Ah,
maybe,
Invisimeuf, c'est putain bien par
just
contre.
maybe, by the end of all of this, helping people is what you do too.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
La bedaine, non mais ils abusent de ouf. Invisipute, ouais.
This is SDN. How can we help you?
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
What kind of heroes end up here?
Oh, all sorts. Some that are tired of doing it themselves, some heroes who prefer teams.
And some that used to be called Invisibitch.
Invisipouf, bah on était pas loin avec l'invisipute.
Yep. We're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with super hearing. He's from... I wanna say-
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny.
Ah, il y a trop de trucs avec
corporate,
elle.
Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says...
Mais elle nous
records
aguiche
room.
tout le temps. La salle des archives, à ton avis, c'est pas faire. Putain, j'en ai marre, Aurore. Arrête, Aurore, arrête. Oh machin, il doit avoir une... Il doit avoir une
Bruh, almost
bête
went in
lui
my
aussi.
Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me
Théma,
Roy.
il touche même pas son sgeg.
All right. Good to meet you, bro.
Likewise.
Théma, oui.
So roid, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. The 2 other guys here, they go by the name Roy. So I think it's like, you know, we go scrap, we go grab.
Ça fait 3 quarts d'heure qu'il pisse, le mec. 3 quarts d'heure qu'il pisse, le man. Il a une vessie. C'est un bac rétention d'eau.
I boss you up, and then you know you got Roy. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think.
Hey, you think that's why they call me Roy? Like I'm on steroids?
Mais arrête de pisser!
Cause they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think Roy's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I don't care.
That's, yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to
Kapu.
know basis, and Roy need to know. I don't want to come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro. I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Il doit avoir un tronc d'arbre, le man. Un tronc d'arbre.
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Why is this happening?
What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Putain, mais c'est trop bien!
I'm still confused.
Ah mais pour une personne humaine comme nous, comme toi, Hirakao, oui, je pense que lui, il te détruit. Vraiment, il te détruit. Mais peut-être les super-héros, ils ont des vagins héroïques, hein, on sait pas. Hein.
Oh, right, because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar?
Holy shit! Yeah, you fucker. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh,
Lance de tripoter par les inconnus.
Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticket from popping on me.
I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Chase.
Hey, if I feel another ounce of pity from you, I will run you over in a parking lot and say it was an accident. They'll believe me because it looks like I'm wearing diapers.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers. Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think
Ah,
we should have
l'empalement.
canned these dudes
Terrible,
months ago.
terrible
And you
l'empalement.
might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Ah, attends.
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate who
Will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate, like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Ok. Vigueur, combat, intelligence, mobilité, d'accord, et là après ça change. Ok. Oh non, on a lui sous nos ordres, merde.
Flame and his skin does not burn.
Right.
Oh, il m'emmerde lui.
Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did.
Hirakao, il est pour toi, on va
So
le
you know
contrôler
he's a
là.
certifiable dickhead.
Avec son allumette en feu là. Combat, intelligence, bah oui, il est con comme une bite, alors bon, lui c'est sûr que bon, vigueur, voilà.
Invisigal.
Il y a un visipute. Il est beau quand même, non mais arrête.
Ago and
arrête.
entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious now.
Donc elle, mobilité,
really?
vigueur,
Criminal
un peu de
turns
combat,
invisible,
pas de
doesn't like to answer
charisme
questions.
et
What
pas
took you
beaucoup
off, Sherlock?
d'intelligence. Ce que je remarque depuis tout à l'heure, c'est qu'on a que des gogolitos. Ah non, il y a le chauve-souris, il est pas mal.
Here we have coupé, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
Intelligence, combat,
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop.
pas de vigueur quasiment, pas de charisme, mais un peu de mobilité. Ok.
Punch up.
Carnival's
Bon
strong
beef.
man who made a deal
Ouais,
with
mouche.
the sorceress. She gave him the
Il
strength
est
of
tout
10 men.
petit, il est mignon.
His muscles grew,
Vigueur,
but his body
charisme.
shrunk.
Ah, il a du
He's got
charisme,
all
lui,
the
un peu de
charming
combat.
brains
Ok.
of a greasy bowling ball.
Malevola.
Oh,
Terrifying. She's got a
Malévola.
magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to
Salut,
teleport.
toi.
Somehow she's still late. for
Elle est
that
un peu
fuck
partout,
Yeah,
elle est bien, mais... Ouais. Physiologie démoniaque, création de portail, absorption de force vitale et transfert de blessures. Ok.
That's Golem.
Oh,
He
le
is
golem.
a construct.
A construct?
Yeah. Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with
Corps
magic.
morphologique,
I
mimétisme
think he's
terrestre,
fine.
guérison régénérative. Inconnu. Grande masse d'argile et de terre. Ah ouais, c'est de la boue quoi.
Prism.
Prism.
Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. He weaponizes light rays and some
Photokinésie.
shit.
Photoï... manipulation
Why is she
holographique.
dressed like a pop
Ok.
star?
She's actually super talented.
1,3 million de followers, ok. D'accord.
Wait, so the Z team, my
La team 6 c'est mon
their
équipe.
image
Aïe aïe
program?
aïe aïe.
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
This computer's older than you look. Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Hey, team. This is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real first name, bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we
Ah, il
clear
me
the
trash
channel,
talk en
please?
plus,
There's
les
a lot of
enculés.
overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto's son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He back in mine.
Oh, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the
Bon,
channel.
si meuf, elle veut, hein.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of.
Oh putain, il débite l'enculé. Ok, ballon perdu.
Stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Oh mais on s'en branle. Grimper à un arbre de 12 mètres. Y'en a pas un qui... Bah lui là non. En vrai. Il vole. Elle vole ou pas? Bon, je vais mettre lui. C'est une chauve-souris en vrai.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting a hero for a very important event.
Inauguration très médiatisée à Van Gogh. Envoyer quelqu'un qui donnera une bonne image du SDH.
You aren't a genius if you need a
Lui, il est
piece of paper that
charismatique.
says you're a genius.
You're just jealous. This guy rules.
Ah, elle, en vrai, faudrait peut-être l'envoyer elle.
I got a coupon for a free mani at Denise's, but fair warning, Denise is a snitch, so don't tell her nothing. I'll take Wednesday. Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Bon là, easy win. Easy win. On va l'en récupérer.
Going on a sonar.
Sonar se transforme en revenant d'une mission et inverse ses stats. Intelligence avec combat et charisme avec vigueur jusqu'à la prochaine mission. Ok, stylé. Ça faut aller vite. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Mon bidet éclabousse partout. Ah, faut que je pirate? Ok. Attends, mais comment je peux réparer un bidet en piratant? Genre, il y a des bidets connectés maintenant?
Let's see if I can do this.
Yes.
Fuck yeah.
Easy win. Attends, ma corpus, il va falloir que tu fais 1 mètre.
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it.
N'envoyez pas le connard enflammé. 2 héros se battent à Kryptonite. Mettre fin à la bagarre diplomatiquement si possible. D'accord.
Okay. That little shit did not kick my ass.
You did though.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No, you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
Voilà, ça peut pas mal se passer, voilà, c'est parfait.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Ok.
Laugh all you want. Someday,
Vol de bateau
my
en cours
subconscious
au
will live on in a
nautique.
ship,
Poursuivre les voleurs et
and your
situer le bateau en un seul morceau.
will be dead. Cringe.
Sure, your call.
Un
So
visipute.
what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Parce qu'elle a été envoyée seule, un visimeuf réduit le temps de trajet et le temps de compte. Ok, cool.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of you.
Les idiots se battent pour le nom Fightman. Des idées de nouveaux noms pourraient régler ça.
The Duelist and the Brawler. Those names are better than they have any right to be.
Où est-ce qu'il va, lui? Eh, il a foutu la merde, cet enculé, il est parti tout seul. Ok, là on est sur un sans faute.
Oh shit.
Un sans faute pour l'instant.
Did I do that right?
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how can I know?
Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Whatever,
Les cambrioleurs ont pris le contrôle, évité les capteurs de mouvement et appréhender les voleurs. Putain, il faudrait un visipute là. Attends, on va regarder ça d'abord.
Jenny the Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN.
Aujourd'hui, on parle des SDF qui envoient des criminels pour nous
to
protéger.
protect us?
Éduquer l'introdieu sur le problème et lui prouver qu'il a tort à se juger. On va prendre lui là. Vas-y.
I bet he's got a punchable face.
Vas-y, un visipute, reviens, on a besoin de toi.
Hey, someone's robbing the museum. I don't know what you do, man. I just started today.
Ugh, whatever you say.
Les feux t'un contre la comment empêcher de se propager. Étouffer les flammes avec ton corps. Ouais, je pense ça, parce que c'est incontrôlable, les pompiers ils ont déjà utilisé l'eau à mon avis. Incendie contenu. Eh là on est bon les gars. Comment éviter les capteurs? Pirater le système. Moi, je vais pirater le système. Let's go. Oh là là!
Hey, it's me again, Galen. Blaze. Hey, a hero ranked up. Good job.
C'est quel? Maintenant on va dans amélioration.
Every rank up earns skill
Oh,
points.
ça c'est bien ça!
Use them for increasing stats.
Elle a 3 en vigueur, charisme.
You see a plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Ok. Point de compétence disponible, 1 combat, vigueur, mobilité. En vrai un petit point en mobilité. En intelligence. Elle est con comme une table elle aussi donc bon. En vrai on lui demande pas ça. Un point en mobilité en plus. Voilà. Alors elle fait quoi? Nanana, elle est forte un peu partout. On peut lui mettre un peu plus d'intelligence en vrai. Il nous faut un bagarre de ouf là. Non!
Don't you dare tell Coop about this. I'll never live it down.
We've encountered these thieves before.
Alors, on a déjà fait ces voleurs. Compiler et croiser les autres vols d'œuvres d'art à ce réseau criminel. Localiser des membres connus pour trouver leur planque. Ok, il nous faut des intelligents. On va mettre elle.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Et elle. Et elle. Allez.
Prism, have you finished the book I lent you?
Girl, I'm a slow reader, alright? Besides, you promised fairy sex, and so far...
Du sexe féerique, non mais faut arrêter!
It has to build.
Arrêtez de parler de cul. Arrêtez. Impeccable! Ah, la Zine, elle a un truc en plus. Elle est quoi? Elle est forte en combat et forte en charisme. On va augmenter un peu son charisme encore. Il nous faut des mecs aussi forts en combat. Les prochains, faut les mettre forts en combat.
Hey,
pas à chier.
Bobby. Here William Vandersnake needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Dans certaines situations, il faut faire un choix. Ok. Envoyer quelqu'un d'autre. Envoyer sonar sécurisé.
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Essayez de regarder les deux missions. Les sonars rencontrer son héros William Vandersnake et lui pitcher les idées. Quand tu enverras, l'autre option disparaîtra. Ok. Ah non. Ah.
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Empêcher les fans fervents, même sonar du PDG, d'ennuyer et avoir leur classe. Donc il faut de la protection. Attends. Ah non, non, on va faire ça.
Yeah, okay.
A kid just robbed me. That little shit, I want him behind bars.
Retrouver le pickpocket et le ramener chez lui, l'encourager à se reprendre en main. Il faut de la vitesse et La discussion, on va mettre prisme en vrai.
Alright, I'll snitch. Just cut me a deal, okay?
Ah putain, il faut qu'elle parle aussi, elle. Ah, j'ai envoyé la moins con. On va faire preuve de discrétion et utiliser l'environnement. Oh, bah, un visimeuf en vrai.
Sure thing.
Un visimeuf. La discrétion, on va mettre elle aussi avec.
Swift as the night, sharp as my knife.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New
Alors, est-ce que
record.
ça a marché lui?
How the fuck did that happen?
I set the scar on fire. Yeah.
Oui, parfait.
Kia Soul.
Parfait!
And another one.
Donc lui, il est balèze en vigueur, mobilité. En vrai, on va l'augmenter en vigueur. Lui, il faut que ce soit un tank absolu. Courpif, on l'en voit pas beaucoup lui. Hein. Il y a beaucoup de voleurs dans cette planque. Comment l'équipe doit-elle procéder? Faire sortir les tableaux en silence. Vas-y.
Get the paintings out. Quietly.
No promises. I'm a screamer.
Let's go! Elle, alors attends, elle est forte en combat, vigueur, mobilité. Augmenter en combat, il faut qu'elle se pète un peu. Elle. Juste le god du dispatch, mais de ouf les gars. Ils ont arrêté le gamin, mais ils ne savent pas quoi faire d'un voleur de 12 ans. On va lui parler.
You know, give him a pep talk.
Oh, sure. I'll give him a pep talk, all right. Too bad there's no Grammy for this.
Elle, tac, tac, tac. Elle, on va l'augmenter encore. Mobilité. Un point. Faut qu'elle ait un peu plus de charisme. Bisous Rakao, bon courage pour le boulot, gros bisous. Donuts de mémé.
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up. Aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned. Just so you know, I'm not going for you. I'm going because I have to. Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
I didn't do this.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
Just a plain-ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as you with that glaze all over you, huh? You slap that donut around on your face a little before you put it in your mouth, huh?
You got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me.
La
You
pire
guys
du
got
lot, aïe,
similar
aïe, aïe.
energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Dan. Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn. Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Haha.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Hello?
Ugh.
Oh. Ok. Faut qu'on aille là d'abord.
This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Haut, bas, gauche, gauche. Ok.
Alright, what do we got
Le
here?
gout!
Herb? Beanie? Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
No, no!
God damn it. This bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more great advice?
Chuck!
Shit.
Bitch! Invisigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Oh!
I can use the overhead
Oh, merde, ça va
sprinklers
être chaud,
to
là.
short out his blaster.
Come on, come on, come on.
Ah putain.
Got him.
Au bas. Ok. Non, c'est pas ça. C'est pas ça, c'est pas ça, c'est pas ça. Au bas, gauche, en haut.
Granny, I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you—
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work and you sound dumb.
Okay, disarm Granny before the thing blows his face off. It looks super unstable.
So your expert opinion is to
Attack the client. Fuck that.
I did things your way and it's your shit. I'm taking out the guy who's been
wasn't a suggestion, it's a direct.
Et voilà, elle aurait dû nous écouter, la grognasse.
Hey, are you okay? Come in.
I'm fine. But this guy, less fine. Smells like bacon a little. It's gross, but it's also kind of not bad.
Yeah, great. Okay, where's the perp?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Ça, dans tous les cas, je pense qu'on aurait eu la même chose.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here. There's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Et une seule de ratée, c'est beau quand même.
Hey. Ah, shit. What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
I can't just disappear, okay? I actually have to face my problems.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
Look at me. You disobeyed a direct order. How can you think it went well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away and you got the client hurt. I don't think when he called us, he thought he'd be ending the day winking at Lefty because you turned his other arm into a pork rind.
Granny would be fine if Granny didn't pick that fucking thing up in the first place. He's just some dumbass trying to be a hero. And don't fucking say it, I know where you're going.
The fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero.
Merde, elle va plus être piquée. Elle sera plus piquée, les gars.
Suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without a shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The fact of the matter is, you need me way more than I need you. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Ouh, aïe, 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 aïe. Allez, coup dur pour le FC Invisipute.
Ah! Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Oh! Saloperie.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
happened to your nose?
Oh,
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
I get nosebleeds when it's this dry. The air in the office, it's on the dry side.
Is it on the dry side? I'll have facilities look into it. All right, boys. We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
Bah ouais, on a loupé un truc.
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
The perp got away. How is that an acceptable outcome?
Yeah, shit happens.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be
Il est pas
around
con,
them.
lui, hein?
I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
Il est bon, lui,
No
j'aime
fucking
bien.
way it's gonna work, but it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah, no. I did this. It's weird because I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she comes back and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest. He
Hero?
helpful janitor.
Okay.
Un visigoth.
Cool.
Un visipute,
So
ouais.
it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Putain, il dégueule pour nettoyer, j'en peux plus.
I want you to know us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z-team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
Hey, so do you want to grab dinner or something? It's dinner time, so I assume that maybe,
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Elle a un mec.
Awkward to mention, but
Elle a un
since
mec.
the other night,
Blonde blazer.
Elle a un mec. Et voilà, putain.
Are you ready to go? Who
La
is this?
catastrophe!
I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, and I'm a man. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde blazer told me
Une catastrophe.
Really? Did she,
Je suis sûr qu'on va devoir se péter contre lui à la fin. C'est obligé.
In that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was
On a
great.
embrassé
It
ta meuf,
wasn't
hein.
Great.
T'as le bâtard, va.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. But to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing, even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
On a marqué des points, les gars. On a marqué des points. Allez, touche pas comme ça. Touche pas comme ça, c'est notre meuf. C'était notre meuf.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, 3rd Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small
Mais quel
beings.
chien. Mais quel chien.
Phenomenal.
Je le déteste. Oh, oh. Incroyable. Trop bien. I love that. Je crois qu'il y a le 5 et le 6 qui sont sortis, donc on va faire le 3e. Et du coup, demain, on se garde le 4, 5, 6.